Okay, so today we are gonna be making a Super Smash Bros. Tier list, except I am extremely biased. So, alright. But first, we're gonna go in order. Alright, Mario. Never used him. But I think he's okay. I have actually a couple times, but I don't like him. DK. C tier. I don't know. I just don't like him. Link. I hate Link. I hate him. Yeah, sorry. I just don't like the Links. Like, they're my biggest op. Oh, okay. The Samuses, they were one of my first. Well, when I got my Switch, they were one of my first mains. I'll put them in B tier. To be honest, they are not that bad. Like, they're pretty solid. Yoshi. Yeah, okay, we'll put him in S tier. I like Yoshi. Kirby. Fox. Also a great character. Me personally, I like him. One of my first mains too, sort of secondaries now. Pikachu. Let's just say, I'm not a big fan of it. I played it before, it's not that great. Chulibre's cool though. Alright. Going down there with Mario, man. That up special was so annoying me personally. Ness. Ness? Do I really have to? I don't need to say anything. He's going in F. Captain Falcon. That's right. F whatever. I don't really like him. Jigglypuff. Yeah, it's kind of mad. I'll put him with Donkey Kong. Daisy and Peach. They are also my biggest ops. But they're not that bad, so I'll just throw them down there. Bowser. AKA Bowger, too. Alright. Not bad. I'll put him in B. And I played it a couple times. I didn't really like playing with it, but it's really cool. So, it's just too slow for me personally. Ice climbers. I hate them. Not that much though. They're not that great. She basically just Zelda, but in a costume. It's kind of hard to use, but cool. So see, Zelda. Oh god, I'm getting PTSD to those reflectors. But a pretty solid character. B. Mario. Back down there. Going with them. Pichu! I don't like him. Not as much as Pikachu. I mean, like... It's okay. I'm just not a big fan of it. Alright. Falco! A tier. I don't know, I kinda just like it. I used to use it. It was pretty cool. Marth and Lucina, they're Echo Fighters, right? No. No, they're not. Okay, wait. Marth. I mean, it's okay. But it's not as good as Lucina. Lucina's definitely stronger. No, it's a Link. Alright. Ganondorf. I literally just destroyed one today, so, but, like, I'm not a big fan of it. I'll pop him in D. You too! S tier! Really cool. Roy! Going with Marth. I mean, it's not that great, but, I mean, it's not that bad either, so, you know, it's gonna be. Alright, let's see. Chrom? I don't know this character, so I'm gonna put him in E. Game & Watch! Yeah, let's go gambling. S tier. Meta Knight. Definitely S tier. One of my favorite Kirby fandom characters. Or show characters. I don't know which one you want to call it. Game character, whatever you want. The Pits. I mean, they're not bad, but they're also not good, so I'll put them in B. Like, I can hit some combos with them, but, I mean, it's not like they're the greatest. ZSS. Definitely one of my better characters, but also not that great, so B tier, me personally. Wario. No, I just can't. Snake. Nah, it's my biggest op. Which character is this again? Ike? Not bad. Except that one move, which is really annoying, like somebody was spamming it today. Pokemon Trainer. I don't like it. I just don't. Alright. Diddy Kong. Okay, so 1. It's just a little annoying. Just a little bit. You know? They grab, it's like a parasite. And Lucas is going down there with Ness. Because of, yeah. Okay. Sonic! Not bad, but also not great. I'll put him in C. Oh, I almost moved it. King DDD. I'll put him in C. He's not a big fan. He's not great. Olimar. Never used him before, but I've seen people use him. D tier. Lucario. It's so slow, but it's a great comeback character. I just don't like the fact that it's so slow. So, D tier. Rob. We have a special spot for you down here. You too. Down there. Side B is just annoying. Alright. And then so was I just don't like Wing. Anyways, Wolf. Not bad. I don't really like its moveset at all. So D tier. Villager. I don't like him. I just don't. Mega Man, I think. Annoying. It's pretty annoying, but it's not bad. It's not a bad character. I'll put him in B. Wii Fit Trainer. It's not that bad. Alright, it's going to C tier. I don't like him. Rosalina and Luma. This is my biggest op right here. I hate them. It's my worst matchups. Yeah, me personally. Little Mac. I don't know. Put you in E. Red Ninja. Anyways, Halatina! Alright, going into C, because I don't know. I don't like you, but it's pretty fine, I guess. Pac-Man! Pretty solid character. I say I put it in B. Like, I've never used it, but I've seen people use it. It's pretty cool, I guess. Robin! It's fine. I made a special section for him, too. You know what? Let's put all the links down in just G, because I don't like them. Anyways, Joel. Going in D. I don't like you. Bowser Jr. A tier, not bad. It gets the bomber. Duck Hunt. I don't know, mid. I'll put you in C. don't like the Street Fighter characters that much. Not really, but I guess C tier, because honestly, they're not bad. They're not bad. They're pretty solid. And then you got Cloud. I just don't like it. Anyways, Corin. I don't know anything about this character other than counter, I guess. Putting you in D. Bayonetta. Not bad. Honestly, my best matchup yet. Inkling. I'm getting PTSD from the yellow one, specifically. But you know what? We'll pop you up in C tier. I feel nice. Ridley? I'm gonna have to put him in D. It's not as great as it looks. Holy water! What is this one? No, this is... I don't know these names. But honestly, I know I've used them and they know they have holy water, so I'm putting them in B because that's cool. Seriously? Okay? I have a special section for you. This no skill. Has super armor, high recovery, high speeds, high damage. It's a heavy. Like, come on, man. That's literally no skill. It has artillery, 2 artilleries, 2 cannons. Not really 2 cannons. It has 1 cannon, but 2 projectiles. Like, me personally, that's like no skill right there. Anyways, Isabelle. I don't like you. Incineroar. Popping you in A, S tier, S tier. I personally never used Piranha Plant, but honestly, it's not that bad. I'll pop you in A tier. Joker. I've used Joker before. It's not that bad either, but it's pretty cool, so I'll pop you in A tier. Kamikaze. Yeah, no. I've seen heroes. Never used them, but I've seen them, and I just don't like them. Anyways. Banjo and Kazooie. Never used them, but you know, I don't think they're a really good character either. Okay, this is just annoying. TSPMO. I've never fought a Byleth, so I'm gonna put it in C. Okay, this ramen girl. No. Steve. Me personally, really cool, but it's going in A. Sephiroth. Okay, so it's Reach. I just don't like it. It's so long. I hate it. Pyramithra. Put you in A. It's not that bad, but I mean, it could be better. Me personally. Anyways, Sora. Pretty cool character, but it's not that great. And then you got the Mii's. They all suck. Me personally, but they're not that bad, so I'll put them all in C. Oh wow, look at our beautiful tier list. Based off of my biases. Whatever. Alternate characters, what does that mean? Oh. Let's not do that. What does this do? Not just percentile. Anyways, yeah, so, you know what, let's put include transforming characters. Alright, so that probably removed Pyra. Nope, they're still there. Alright. Pyra, I don't like Pyra. Mythra's definitely better. Squirtle. Just see down there. Ivysaur, me personally, is really good, but not the best. Charizard. Okay, I'm putting you in E here. I don't like it one bit. Yeah, rate my tier list. I swear it's cool. We got Greninja up in S+. My S tier characters: Yoshi, Box, Mewtwo, Game & Watch, Meta Knight, and Incineroar. For A tier, we got Falco, Lucino, Ike. Yeah, Ike. Bowser Jr., Bayonetta, Piranha Plant, Steve, Pyramithra, Mithra, and Joker. For B, we have Samus, Dark Samus, Pikachu, Bowser, Zelda, Marth, Roy, Pit, Dark Pit, Pac-Man, ZSS, aka Zero Suit Samus, I don't know his name. Ivysaur, I don't know his name. Oh, it's Richard and Simon. Richard, Ivysaur, Simon, Hyra, and Hero. For C, we got DK, aka Donkey Kong, Jigglypuff, Cheek, Pichu, Sonic, King Dedede, We Fit, Palutena, Me Gunner, Duck Hunt, Ryu, Ken, Inkling, Violet, Brawler, Sword Fighter. For D, we got Ganondorf, Pokemon Trainer, Ice Climbers, Squirtle, Olimar, Ricardo, Wolf, Mega Man, Shoal, Cloud, Corrin, Ridley, Isabelle, Banjo-Kazooie, Sora, Sephiroth. And then for E, we got Mario, Luigi, Captain Falcon, Daisy, Peach, Dr. Mario, Chrom? Yes, Chrom. Villager, Lil Mac, Charizard, and then for FT we got Kirby, Wario, Ness, Diddy Kong, Lucas, Snake, Rob, Rosalina, and Luma, and Terry. And then for G we got Link, Robin, Link, Inkay, Min, and Kazuya. My tier list is so cool. It's definitely not biased. Okay, that's it. Yay!